Your dashboard glows with that dreaded amber engine light, and suddenly your wallet feels a whole lot lighter. We have all been there. You see an ad for a miracle liquid that promises to save you thousands on a catalytic converter replacement. It is called the Rayhong Cleaner, and it is everywhere on social media right now. The marketing makes it look like magic in a bottle. Just put it in your gas tank and watch your car transform back into a powerhouse. It sounds like a dream, but let's be real for a second, because physics does not care about viral marketing. A catalytic converter is a sophisticated piece of hardware. It handles extreme heat. It deals with intense chemical reactions. Every single second your engine is running. When it clubs, it is usually because of deep carbon buildup or actual physical damage to the internal honeycombs. Now, can a simple liquid additive really melt away years of neglect while you drive to the grocery store? The honest answer is probably not. This specific product claims it will boost your power and fix your fuel economy. It even says it will clear those pesky emission codes instantly. That is a massive red flag. Most of these viral cleaners are just basic fuel additives dressed up in fancy packaging. They contain the same detergents you find in cheap bottles at the local hardware store. There is no secret sauce here. If your converter is actually failing or melted inside, no amount of liquid is going to fuse it back together. That is just common sense. These companies rely on the fact that car repairs are terrifyingly expensive. They know you would rather spend 20 bucks on a bottle than 2,000 on a mechanic. It is a psychological trap. I looked into the way they advertise this stuff. It is all flashy before and after shots with zero technical explanation. They show you a sparkling clean engine part that was likely just replaced with a new one for the camera. Using it is undeniably easy. You just dump it in before you fill up the tank. Then you drive around and hope for the best. But ease of use does not equal effectiveness. At best, you might get a tiny bit of cleaning in your fuel injectors. At worst, you are just throwing money down the drain. There are plenty of trusted, long-standing brands that make fuel system cleaners. Those companies actually have laboratories and reputations to protect. This product feels like one of those pop-up brands that disappears once enough people realize the claims are hollow. If you are dealing with a real mechanical issue, this bottle is just a bandage on a broken limb. You are much better off getting a proper diagnosis from a professional. Sometimes a check engine light is just a faulty sensor that costs 50 bucks to swap. Other times it is a serious failure that needs a new part. Buying into the hype of a viral miracle cure usually leads to a lot of disappointment. It is borderline scam territory because it preys on your hope for a cheap fix. Your car deserves better than a mystery liquid with a catchy name. You have to ask yourself why a massive breakthrough in automotive science would be sold through a random social media ad instead of being used by every mechanic on the planet. Real solutions involve tools and expertise. Save your cash for a real mechanic or brand that actually stands behind its science. Don't let a slick video convince you that your car's hardware problems can be solved with a quick splash of chemicals. It is just not how engines work. The reality is that once that catalytic converter is truly gone, there is no magic potion that can bring it back from the dead. Trust your gut on this one. If it looks like a miracle, it is probably just good editing. It is better to face the mechanical music than to pour money into a fuel tank full of false promises.